This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is just going to be another episode to the IPDA data range library. As you can see, we said March was most likely going to be bearish for British pound versus the US dollar. The seasonal chart showed us that. That was the stage that told us going into this month, we were most likely going to be bearish. You can see how they've convinced retail traders somehow to buy above the opening price. And a premium. They're buying at a premium. So retail traders are doing what? They're buying up here. They're buying high. That is not sound logic. Doesn't make sense. You buy cheap. You buy below lows. You don't buy above a high. You sell above a high. And that's what they did here. You can see here finally they broke a swing high here. That's the swing high. They break a swing high or they break previous daily highs and they sell above the highs in a premium. Just like that. But look at how now we just hit the 40-day low. This is just beautiful to watch, man. Beautiful. Just beautiful. People are not seeing these moves. People are not comprehending this. And I'm not saying it's going to be perfect every single month. But this is how I'm looking at the market every single month and using these levels to determine whether or not this level is going to be significant. Is there buy side liquidity above it? Is there sell side liquidity below it? There's sell side liquidity below all these lows. These are all equal lows here. That, and the 20-day low. Sell side liquidity. All that sell side liquidity. 40-day low. Sell side liquidity. All these swing highs, buy side liquidity. Open float. All this is open float. These are equal highs, double tops, right? Buy side liquidity. They're just now running sell side for the month. Now, does that mean now after they take out the sell side, price comes down and then runs back up here? No, that does not ultimately mean that. Unless price action shows you that. If they're leaving the footprints behind or the fingerprints behind for you to tell you, okay, there's a market structure shift, now price is going to go to the upside because now we taken out sell side liquidity, open float for the month. This market could continue to trend down, right? Continue to keep going down, up, down, and keep doing this. Somehow doing that, right? Running out of high, getting traders to go long again, and then running short on them hard, right? Buyer's remorse. Every time the retail traders see a quick rally up, they're so stimulated. They're excited. Yes, British pound is coming back to life. I know it sounds almost animated the way I'm talking, but I'm thinking as if I was a retail trader sitting behind their desk, in their room, just like, yes, trend lines, yes, break retest. Oh my gosh, it broke the Asian session high, I'm buying. Oh, it broke the Asian session low, I'm selling. That's how they think. Go through anybody's video on YouTube. Go through their videos and see how they think. It's not the same way that these other players are thinking. It's completely opposite, and they're getting cooked every time. Easy dinner. What happens here after they run this? We're gonna take it a step further, even though this is only just for IPDA, but I just want to show this as well. Intraday, right here. So we're in a premium, runs up, and we know that if this month is going to be bearish, they have to make some type of fake move above the premium. Because if you go back to the previous month, right, not including IPDA, just looking at the opening price for February was down. We can see that. Yes, it moved sideways towards the middle of the month. But you can see at the beginning of the month, it runs up. Then it runs lower. We see that. Same thing for January. Look at January's opening price for the year, January 2nd. Look at how this is the opening price. It drops down, gets the retail traders to go short. Then they buy it back up. Foolish traders are trying to go short, right? They convince you that British pound is getting weak, and then all of a sudden it turns around. You're like, wait, what happened? All of a sudden British pound got so strong. Yes, they have to do that. They're most likely buying at the best possible price ever, which is below previous daily lows and below the monthly open. Same thing here selling. They're selling above the monthly open, and they're selling after breaking a previous daily high. Let's go down on the 15-minute time frame just to see what happened today. That's your classic AMD. Yes, New York may have not been very responsive here, but you can see here London close, dramatic finish to the day, to the downside, really quick in speed. Right, you see that fair value gap here. Price trades into it real slightly here, and then it runs lower, taking out now the 60-day low. Asian session high. Retail traders are thinking what? Breakout, retest. No, that's not what's happening. This is March's opening price. That's midnight opening price. Look at the confluence. Look at the confluence. That is midnight opening price right there. That is March opening price. So premium, premium. Anytime price is above the line, premium, premium. Let's find Sunday's opening price. Where's Sunday's opening price? I'm supposed to be talking about IPDA, but here I go talking about this. Look at Sunday's opening price. That's SOP. Mark it out, SOP. That's Sunday's opening price, the opening to the weekly candle, and that's midnight opening price. IPDA's true day start, when the algorithm starts seeking liquidity for the day. Midnight opening price, New York Eastern Standard Time. This is March opening price. Look at that confluence. Almost a triple confluence right there. Premium, premium, premium. Telling you, yo, this thing is going to sell eventually. And it does it. After sweeping what? Clean highs. Look at all these highs. Equal highs. Right? What are retail traders trying to do? Buy the double top. They think that it's going to break out and then hit the high and retest and go higher. But, man, to the pit, man. That's a beauty. It's been a pleasure, like always, showing you guys this. Because no one else wants to do it. So I'll do it. I'll do it. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.